So that was Prime Minister Narendra Modi's address at the 76th United Nations General Assembly.
The Prime Minister of the Republic of India for the statement just made, and I request protocol to escort His Excellency. I now give the floor to the distinguished representative of St. Lucia to introduce an address by the head of government.
Okay, so Prime Minister Narendra Modi, he spoke of multiple issues, did not name any country, but spoke of rule-based order. The Prime Minister, was he talking about China? Origins of COVID. Prime Minister spoke on origins of COVID. The Prime Minister slammed Pakistan, did not name the country, but spoke of countries that spread terror, use terror as a political tool. Now, terror is a threat even to those countries. There is a requirement that Afghanistan is not used to spread terror in the region, that it is not used as a tool of terror by any country. He said this is the time for the United Nations to come forward to help the people of Afghanistan, the women of Afghanistan, the children, the minorities of Afghanistan. They require help. I want to quickly bring in Aviruk Sen for more on this. Aviruk, key takeaway, what the Prime Minister said. According to you, what's the key takeaway?
Yes, several things. You touched upon most of them, but I think that the main thing he spoke about was himself and his government. And, telling the world that he grew up as a tea seller on a railway station, and now he's addressing the UNGA and listing, as if it's a sort of campaign rally, all the achievements of the government. Now, the other issues were there, and one of the things that he did very well, I think, is not to mention Pakistan at all. Because what that does is it always clubs India and Pakistan together. We have to, I think, grow out of that. We don't need to take any pleasure in their pain. And we have to sort of understand that we are a much bigger economy, much greater population, and we have a lot of responsibility around the world that we have to discharge. So it's pointless sort of blaming Pakistan for everything that happens in India.
In fact,
about
it's extremely important, if I may, it's very important to actually expose state-sponsored terror that impacts the region. And was the Prime Minister, Ambassador Sharma, also talking about India being a vibrant democracy, that even a tea seller's son can become Chief Minister of a state twice and Prime Minister of a country twice and be in public service for more than 20 years, Ambassador Sharma? Okay, give me a moment. I will try and reestablish that link with him. The point about Pakistan's state-sponsored terror, as Aviruk rightly pointed out, the Prime Minister did not name Pakistan, but he did put Pakistan on notice on terror. Countries that use terror as a political tool, terror can impact them too. Unko bhi आतंकवाद से खतरा है. He spoke of Afghanistan. Now, this is an issue the world is grappling with, that no country should use Afghanistan as a tool, or Afghanistan's land should not be used to spread terror in the region. And it is time for the world to come forward to help the women, the children, and the minorities of Afghanistan. Let's listen in to Prime Minister Narendra Modi before I get you more on this story.
रिग्रेसिव थिंकिंग के साथ जो देश आतंकवाद का पॉलिटिकल टूल के रूप में इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं, उन्हें ये समझना होगा कि आतंकवाद उनके लिए भी उतना ही बड़ा खतरा है। ये सुनिश्चित किया जाना बहुत जरूरी है कि अफगानिस्तान की धरती का इस्तेमाल आतंकवाद फैलाने और आतंकी हमलों के लिए न हो। हमें इस बात के लिए भी हमें इस बात के लिए भी सतर्क रहना होगा कि वहां की नाजुक स्थितियों का कोई देश अपने स्वार्थ के लिए एक टूल की तरह इस्तेमाल करने की कोशिश न करें। इस समय अफगानिस्तान की जनता को, वहां की महिलाओं और बच्चों को, वहां की माइनॉरिटीज को मदद की जरूरत है और इसमें हमें अपना दायित्व निभाना ही होगा।